What's up, Budget Babes? It's Linda back again with another video. It's Budget Babe Tuesday, and I'm bringing you something that I haven't done in a really long time, a huge Dollar Tree haul. It's a good one. You're not gonna wanna miss it, so keep on watching. And I'm just gonna get right into it because it's a lot of stuff. Dollar Tree really got me this time. Just gonna throw this out there. The majority of this haul is beauty and makeup. So I'm gonna first cover all the miscellaneous things, and then we're gonna get into all the beauty stuff. First thing I'm gonna show you is the stationery section. So Dollar Tree just got in Dixon pencils. They had a bunch of different styles and colors, and I just picked out the ones that I liked. But I loved this emerald color with the really cute design. Gotta have my animal print. I think these are so cute. And then just like your standard colors. Definitely stock up now because they won't be there come, back to school time. So definitely stock up on your pencils now if you need them. I found these calligraphy felt tip markers. These are so awesome. So I got them in both of the colors that they had, and I'm super excited. The next thing I found was in the book section, and it is a notebook Spanish dictionary. Can't tell you how badly I needed one of these, and I like the size, and it's a very simplified one. It's like more essential words. Definitely essential to have a dictionary in whatever language that you speak. So for $1, love it. The next things I'm going to show you are in the craft section. So in the craft section, they have so many different styles of rhinestones. I've mentioned this before, I'm a freelance makeup artist, and I realized I really need to get some for my kit. So I decided to try these. They looked really pretty. They have like different colored ones, but I've noticed that for my clients, they usually just ask for, like the diamond look, like silver or black. So I just got these, but they definitely had a nice variety of colors. So if you're looking for rhinestones for certain makeup looks, Dollar Tree is a place to find them. Also in the craft section, they had these really cute decals, and I found this little packet. They had a mom one, a friend one, and the dad one, and I figured because Father's Day is coming up, I think this will be really cute. So this is what they look like. So this next item I found in the kitchen section. So this is actually a foil backsplash for a wall accent in the kitchen. They have like all of these designs, but I decided to get this brick one because, as you guys know, I like to change up my backgrounds a lot, if you guys haven't noticed, and I love the Dollar Tree for background. So let's get into beauty items. First thing I'm going to show you guys from beauty is this nail polish remover. I was so excited to find it because it is 100% acetone. Normally their nail polish removers are not 100% acetone. So I was excited to find this little one, and it comes in this nice pump. So you just put your cotton in here and then you just pump. So that'll be nice and convenient. It will avoid spilling. And if you guys are wondering, these nails are also from the Dollar Tree. These are the LA Colors press-on nails. Aren't they super cute? So next in beauty, I have a couple of skincare items. So I was really excited when I found this. This is a huge purifying micellar water. The reason this caught my eye was because this is a cleansing water with tea tree oil and aloe vera. So definitely a good skincare find. The bottle is huge. This is 16.9 fluid ounces. I don't know if you can see that because it's a little metallic, but this is what the bottle looks like. The last item that I found in skincare was by the brand The Nobleman. So let me know in the comments if you guys have heard this brand. I had never seen it at Dollar Tree before. Cleansing nose strips infused with charcoal. So it says it removes blackheads, unclogs pores, and works in 10 minutes. But there's a man here and there's a guy here with a beard, so I'm assuming it's for men. But it has an 8 count of nose strips here, and it looks pretty simple to use. So let me know if you guys want another Dollar Tree skincare video. The next thing I'm going to show you is hair accessories. I've been seeing this Sincerely Jewels brand at Dollar Tree lately, and let me tell you, they are all super cute. So when I saw them, I just had to get two. Okay, so enough of that, right? We want to see the makeup. So now we're getting into all the fabulous makeup that I found on this Dollar Tree visit. So first things first, the best lashes at Dollar Tree are Ioni. We all know this. They're coveted. Everyone wants them. Everyone needs them. Everyone hoards them. So it's really hard to find. But I was lucky enough to get some. So we have some new Ioni lash styles. Let me tell you, never seen these before. These are the style Natural Doll Light. How cute are these? I love when the lashes have the hairs like this. When they're on, they look very natural, but very full. So these are gonna be really cute. The next ones, these were the ones that I was super excited for. I found Ioni individual lashes in varying lengths and styles. So this is gonna make it so that you can really customize the type of lashes that you want. So starting from the top, we have here the Wispy Natural Shorts. So next we have the Wispy Medium Length. And then third, we have the Wispy Medium Full. And then the last ones, these dramatic ones, are the Wispy Volume Full. Look at how full and long those are, and they have a really nice curl. I don't know if you guys can see. So starting off with some Maybelline lip products. So I found these Shine Shot top coats. How cute are these? So this is a clear in the color Glassy Shine. And this one, if you can see, is kind of like a holographic shimmery clear gloss. This one is in the color Prismatic. How gorgeous are these? So there were a lot of Maybelline lipsticks. I was so surprised. I didn't grab them all. I just grabbed the ones that caught my eye. These are the Maybelline Color Sensational lipsticks. This one right here is Coffee Addiction. This one here is White Gold. And this one here is Midnight Blue. Okay, so starting with Midnight Blue. Wow, look at that gorgeous color. Love it. And it's matte, but it goes on very creamy. This one is the White Gold. Look at how pretty. And then the last one is Coffee Addiction. Wow, so that was like barely any pressure and only one swipe. Look at that. This one is super matte and a gorgeous coffee color. The next lip products I'm gonna show you are by Wet n Wild. These are the Mega Glow lip glosses. How beautiful. So I know for each gloss, there's a palette that actually pairs with it. And I've been dying to get the purple and the green because those are my favorite colors. They're inspired by crystals. So this one is Jade. This one is Amethyst, and this one is Rose Quartz. This purple one is like really unique. You see how it has like a duochrome look to it? It's purple, but you can see greens in it. This pink one looks very pretty, and the green one is super glittery. This one is cute. Next, I found two Hard Candy matte lipsticks. These are the Velvet Mousse lipsticks, and the packaging is gorgeous. So it's a nice little tin, and it has a mirror. So let me show you these lipsticks. So this one is actually in the color Hydrangea. I love hydrangeas. They're, I think, some of the prettiest flowers. So this is a really pretty color. Let's try this out. Oh, yep, that's exactly what I wanted. A nice purplish gray color. Super pretty. This color here is called Sweet Pea. Super cute. Also by Hard Candy, I found this Plumping Serum Gloss. Look at that. That is a really pretty holographic blue color, and it is in the color Twinkle. Wow. Okay, I was not expecting that type of pigmentation. Look at that. Okay, so this next one is also by Hard Candy, and I was super excited when I saw it because I had never seen this before. It is the Glitterazzi Duo, and I just need you guys to take a good look at this. This is a glitter lipstick. Can you guys even see it? And a gorgeous glitter gloss. This is the Crystal Lip Duo in the color Sparkling Spice. It's too pretty to even swatch. Wow. I don't know if you can even see that. It is glittery. Do you see that? So let's try the gloss now. Ooh, that is super pigmented and shiny. I have two other hard candy Glitterazzi products. The first one is the Glitterazzi Press and Play Lip Color. This one is in the color Glamour. Right here. Oh, oh, I was not expecting that type of pigmentation. Did I just find my new favorite lip product? Because y'all know I love purple. Purple is my favorite color. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's little glitters in that. Oh, that is so pretty. So the next Glitterazzi product that I found is the Glitterazzi Prism Flip Liquid Eye Colors. This is in the color Spark. Oh my God, guys, look at this. Blown away, blown away. I cannot even tell you what color this is because it's like every color. It's literally like a prism, like where it has every color like of the rainbow. It looks like silver and copper, and then when you tilt it, it looks purple and blue and green. So let me show you guys. Do you guys see it? I cannot even describe that color. It just looks purple on camera, honestly. Hold on to your seats, guys, because there is still a lot more makeup to come. So keep on watching. So let's get into some of these eyeshadows. So I found two hard candy eyeshadows. They actually had more, but these were the colors that I like. This is in the color Night Out, and it's a really pretty black shimmery color. That is really cute. It's not as shimmery as it looks in the packaging, but it is a nice dark color. Next one is the color Flirty, just a really pretty pinkish shimmery nude color, almost like a highlight color. That under here, and that's what it looks like. This one is a little more shimmery. The color payoff is a little more shimmery. Next, I'm gonna show you guys some crazy cute highlighters that I found. I found the Mega Glow highlighters by Wet n Wild. Look at how pretty. So this one is in the color Royal Calyx, and this one is in the color Diamond Lily. The last highlighter that I got is by Hard Candy, the Iridescent Pearl highlighter. This is what the highlighter looks like. I'm going to give it a nice swatch here on my wrist. You see that? That's one swatch. So also by Hard Candy, I found a few baked blushes. These are the baked blushes that I found. This one is called Honeymoon. This one is called Living Doll. Both of these are gorgeous. And I was so excited to find another fox in a box because I have another one, not this color. This one is in the color Uptown Girl, and I don't have this one yet. I did get another fox in the box in a previous haul of mine, and I absolutely loved it, and I use it all the time. So I was really excited to find this one because this one is a little more peachy, and it's actually scented like a peach. It's scratch and sniff right here. Last item by Hard Candy is this oil-free loose powder. This is in the color Banana. So this is what it looks like. And it is 0.63 fluid ounces. Look at that. It's a really good size. This is a full size product. And last in makeup, I found the Wet n Wild Contour and Highlight Duo. This one is in the color Caramel Toffee. So it is a good full size for $1, guys. Come on. Well, let's get into this. It's very soft. That's what's like confusing, is that it's not powdery. which is great, you know, it won't leave you powdery. Let me know if you guys want to see another full face of Dollar Tree makeup where I use all the new stuff that I got today, because I'm super excited to get into all this makeup and play around with it. So thank you guys so much for sticking with me. This was a super duper long haul, but I'm hoping that it was worth it because all this stuff was fabulous, wasn't it? As always, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Remember that I upload videos every Tuesday and Friday. Tuesdays are Budget Babe themed and Fridays are Fabulous Friday videos. I know that you guys have noticed that sometimes I post a long video, sometimes I just post a YouTube short. Either way, you're getting 2 videos a week. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video. I thank you guys so much for joining me on today's Budget Babe Tuesday. I hope to see you guys on Fabulous Friday. Bye guys.